Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you really quickly how you can delete multiple Google Docs or documents from Google Docs through your Google Drive account. So let us get started right away. So guys, as you probably know, here documents on Google Docs get saved automatically on Google Drive, provided of course you're logged into the same Google account or Gmail account on Google Docs as well as on Google Drive. So make sure that's the case. And if I hover my mouse here on Google Docs in that document over that icon, that cloud icon in the top left corner, see document status, and click on it, I will see that information here, all changes saved to Drive. So all documents you edit and customize in your Google Docs get automatically saved inside your Google Drive account. To give you proof of that, guys, let me head over to my account here in Google Drive, head over to the home section. As you can see, that document I've been editing just a moment ago, or I edited just a moment ago, a couple of minutes ago, is or has indeed been saved with all its changes and customizations and edits here. So guys, that's the case. However, guys, if you'd like to delete multiple of your Google Docs documents, all you will need to do is switch from the Home tab in the top left corner inside your Google Drive to My Drive. And after that, click into Type here on that arrow down icon and filter by documents. That is going to filter out any files and items inside your Google Drive account with the file type document. So you may go through that list and, for example, left click on the given files you would like to, or documents you would like to delete by left clicking on them and by selecting or by clicking on a trash icon here. If you'd like to delete multiple of them, guys, simply press and hold left control on your keyboard and click into all the files you would like to, or all the documents you would like to delete, like that one here, that one as well, that one, that document, that one, and so on and so forth. Let me also delete the most recent one, which is this one here. And that's basically it. After that, click on that trash icon here at the top to move the selected documents to your trash folder. And to get rid of them once and for all, guys, head over to trash folder and clear it by clicking on empty trash here, or restore these files. Of course, you may do that too by simply highlighting them and by selecting or by clicking on restore from trash here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you delete. As you can see, it has been live updated here in Google Docs because I deleted that document. So that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.